How's it going, guys? Tim with LCB once again. We got Dr. Tim doing a Leaf Rookie Retro break this time. This is a 2-box break, not a live. There we go. Okay, 2 on the left and top right. So here and here. All right, Leaf Rookie Retro, you get 1 graded retro rookie. Not really retro, just 1 graded rookie. And then a original Leaf card to go with it. Looks like the Rookie Retro Originals. Did I not cut that seal? I literally only cut 1. I didn't cut any. I'm an idiot. Alright, there's an empty there, and just gonna cover that one there too. Empty there. Okay. That's good stuff. First, you got a Rookie Retro Mize and a Rookie Retro Drew Lock. Those are your 2 original Leaf Rookie Retro cards. Here are your hits. First up, we have not a silver, but a base Luka Prism. PSA 10, good as it gets. Except for a black label, of course. PSA 10 Prism Luka Rookie. Decent card. Not worth box price, though. Although, actually, they could be. I honestly haven't looked in a long time. Last I looked, PSA 10 base were like 60 to 70. And that was a long time ago. Your second one, however, should be box price. Another Luka. RPA from Select. Rookie Jersey Auto, numbered out of 199, and you got a BGS 9 and a 10 on the auto. Numbered 11 out of 199. Not sure why they didn't do subgrades on that, though. Really should have done subgrades. That doesn't really matter. It'll affect the resale just a little bit. May be one that we want to send back in just to get the subs, because that could be a $30, $40 bump. He's the top rookie this year, Timmy. Like, above all, except for Trae Young. Him and Trae Young are the 2 top high values. So, you did well on this card. The PSA 10 base probably lost half, I would say. Maybe a little more. I haven't looked up what the PSA 10 base go for. The silver version of this is big, big money. But this is probably around box price, if not a little more. Select True Rookie RPA. Luka. So back-to-back Lulus. Not too bad, buddy. Not too bad at all. Definitely not case hit worthy out of those. So we got 8 Rookie Retros left. They're $2.10 a pop if anybody else would like one. I got to throw out last call here soon to 2 a.m. East Coast, guys. Anybody else need anything? Timmy, feel free. No, Rookie Retro is multi-sport. You just happen to get 2 basketball boxes. But yeah, they're everything encompassed. You got it, buddy. Go ahead and send her on in. The other Leaf product? Or the TriStar envelopes? Oh, the football jerseys? That was the other one I mentioned. I can show you those if you're interested. Which one? I kind of said 2 things and then lost track. The TriStar envelopes? Not the football jerseys, I assume you're saying, yeah? Signature series, yep. I'll show you that in a second. That's the big envelopes. Those are, I think they're $150 on the website. Let me just check here. Sig series are these, brother. These are awesome memorabilia pieces, all sorts of stuff. Babe Ruth ball. There's a Joe DiMaggio cut. Harrison Ford signed guitar. Paul McCartney signed a Bull Durham Kevin Costner poster. All sorts of memorabilia, belts, balls, boxing, 16x20s, 8x10s. All sorts of stuff, buddy. There was only 100 cases, only 800 total envelopes made. These always sell out at the show. We usually bring a couple home. So they're $150, and then when we open this, you'll see exactly what you got. There'll be a code to type it in. If it's something you want to keep, obviously you can keep it. If it's something you want us to sell, we can redeem it for you and sell it when it comes in. And I only have 6 of those remaining. Those are $150 a pop. That's what you got me for, bro. There are absolutely beasts in there, yes. Of course, I have no idea, but yes, there's some big cards. I got the rookie retros. Want to go ahead and pick, bud? TriStar 6 series is falling over. Haunted. Sounds good, dude. All right, you want to do the rookie retros first, or you want to do everything on the same video? Doesn't matter to me. And Joe, were you in the room? Did you want a National Sig series or no? No sweat if you passed out, dude. You were asking about it earlier, so I want to leave you out in the cold. Same video works. Sounds good. Joe is still in there. All right. Well, Timmy's going to do 2, so there'll be 4 left. Obviously, you probably already knew that. I know. That's your jam, man. Honestly, Joe, I have not added too many cards to my collection recently. Actually, I haven't added any in a long time. I have been doing a lot of memorabilia. A lot of framed pieces. I'm starting to get into that stuff a little bit more. I still love my cards. I like decorating the office walls and stuff. $150 each, Timmy. Yep, $300 for the pair. And if you want more after that, that's totally fine, dude. But if you're done, I'm done. You need more? I'll rip more. I am totally bombing the underside of this desk tomorrow. Last 4. No worries, man. I'm just labeling videos. Centuries. For sure, man. For sure. No, we've got a lot. We've got a lot. I'm on vacation next week from Tuesday to the following Monday. Just FYI. I'll make it a point to at least get a couple of your cards up and processed, so you'll at least get a start on it. And then the rest of them will be processed while I'm gone, but they'll be being priced, so they'll be slowly adding in. Be pretty simple. We go. You do you, Bo. Sounds good. Alright, you all set, man? Ready to go out in style here? I got the envelopes and I got the rookie retros. Go ahead and pick the rookie retros, and then I'll put the envelopes up. Actually, pretty simple. 6 for the envelopes, 1 on the top, 6 on the bottom, and then whatever 2 rookie retros you want. I will do a separate video for each, actually.